In the world of computers and the internet, there are hackers with different intentions. Some hackers are like the bad guys trying to break into systems to steal information or cause trouble. They are called black hat hackers. Then there are gray hat hackers who sometimes bend the rules, but they don't always have bad intentions. But there's another kind of hacker, the white hat hacker. These are the good guys. Ethical hackers are like cybersecurity experts who use their skills to protect us from the bad guys. They hack into systems with permission to find weaknesses and vulnerabilities. Think of it like this. Imagine a bank hires a security expert to test their security system. The expert tries to find ways to break in, not to steal money, but to identify weak points so the bank can fix them and make it harder for real thieves. That's what ethical hackers do for computer systems and networks. Ethical hacking is crucial in today's digital world because it helps us stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. By finding and fixing vulnerabilities, ethical hackers protect our sensitive information and ensure that our digital lives are safe and secure. In today's digital age, our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology. We rely on computers, smartphones, and the internet for everything from communication and banking to shopping and entertainment. While technology offers numerous benefits, it also exposes us to new threats, particularly from cybercriminals. Cyber attacks are becoming more common and sophisticated, targeting individuals, businesses, and even governments. These attacks can have severe consequences, including financial losses, identity theft, data breaches, and disruption of critical infrastructure. This is where ethical hacking plays a vital role. Ethical hackers are our first line of defense against cyber threats. By proactively identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities, they help organizations strengthen their security posture and reduce the risk of successful attacks. Ethical hacking is not just about preventing cyber attacks, it's also about building trust and resilience in the digital ecosystem. When organizations prioritize ethical hacking, they demonstrate their commitment to protecting user data and maintaining the integrity of their systems. Becoming an ethical hacker is a rewarding career path for those passionate about cybersecurity and eager to make a real difference. While the journey may seem challenging, it is achievable with dedication and the right approach. Here are some steps to guide you. First, build a strong foundation. Start by mastering the basics of computer networking, operating systems, and cybersecurity principles. Understand how networks function, how different operating systems work, and the common types of cyber threats. Next, learn programming languages. Programming is essential for ethical hacking. Familiarize yourself with languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++, as they are widely used in cybersecurity tools and scripts. Then, master ethical hacking tools. Explore and gain proficiency in various ethical hacking tools, both open source and commercial. These tools can help you scan for vulnerabilities, exploit weaknesses, and analyze security posture. Also, get certified. Obtaining industry-recognized certifications such as Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, or CompTIA Security Plus, can validate your skills and enhance your credibility. Finally, gain real-world experience. Participate in bug bounty programs, capture the flag, CTF competitions, and open-source security projects to gain practical experience in a safe and controlled environment. Section 4. Career Opportunities and Earning Potential, a rewarding field. The demand for skilled ethical hackers is skyrocketing as organizations worldwide grapple with the ever-evolving threat landscape. As a result, ethical hacking offers a wide range of career opportunities and excellent earning potential. Ethical hackers are employed by various organizations, including technology companies, financial institutions, government agencies, and cybersecurity firms. Some common job roles include security analyst, identifying and analyzing security vulnerabilities in systems and applications; penetration tester, simulating real-world attacks to assess the security posture of an organization; vulnerability assessment analyst, conducting comprehensive assessments to identify and prioritize vulnerabilities; security consultant, providing expert advice and guidance on cybersecurity best practices. Salaries for ethical hackers vary depending on factors such as experience, location, certifications, and the size and industry of the employer. However, ethical hacking is generally a well-compensated field, with experienced professionals commanding high salaries. Section 5. Embrace the challenge. Join the fight for a safer digital future. Ethical hacking is not just a job, it's a calling. It's about using your skills and knowledge to make a real difference in the world by protecting individuals, organizations, and critical infrastructure from cyber threats. As we become increasingly reliant on technology, the role of ethical hackers will only become more critical. If you are passionate about cybersecurity, eager to learn, and driven by a desire to make the digital world a safer place, then ethical hacking could be the perfect career path for you. Embrace the challenge, never stop learning, and join the fight for a more secure digital future.